y'all? Welcome back to the videos. For today's video, we might possibly be getting a new car. Why you stopping? It's yellow light. Why you stopping for, bro? Run that shit. You're hurt! This is it, man. The last of Bertha. That's it, bro. I went from a big body Civic to a little body Civic. Look at this, man. That is me. You see that thing? Oh my God. Oh my God. You missed the CRV already. You missed getting them cheeks clapped in the back seat. I'm playing. I am officially now the third owner of this car. Get him. Dang, man. Oh, what's up, y'all? What y'all doing? Oh, what I'm doing? Oh, I'm just playing some Raid Shadow Legends. What's that, you ask? It's summertime, which means... it's time to play games. And this summer's game of choice is none other than Raid Shadow Legends. Huge thank you to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video. Now, in case you've been living under a rock for the past couple of months, there has been something new and exciting in the gaming world. Raid is a brand new collection RPG game. This game has one of, if not the sickest storylines, awesome 3D graphics, and giant boss fights. And more than 400 champions that you can collect and customize. From an app game and app market. This game will remind you of the classical RPG and strategy games with the added bonus that it's now on your phone. Enjoy crazy battles and events that will keep you hooked for hours. And when I mean hours, I mean hours. And dog, are you looking at the crazy level of detail that is on these champions? Raid's graphics and storyline are compatible to AAA console releases. And the crazy thing about it, it's free! This game is growing super fast, bro. And it's gonna grow even faster when the Stock Block Squad run up through that app and show these other players how we gets down. Click down in the video description box and guess what? When you do that, you get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion to start your journey. Good luck! And I'll see you guys in there. Oh, happy day! Oh, happy day! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, look what we received from Synchrotech, my newest sponsor to my building. And I know people that don't like me are gonna get mad, like, yo, Zosh, how is he getting sponsored by Synchrotech? He don't even race his car. Well, guess what, Jabroni Beaton, the pie-eating bandit, is not sponsored by Synchrotech. I'm actually sponsored by credit from my girlfriend, cause you know, man, you on that. But in all seriousness, we are headed right now to Randy's house. Would you like to open the door, little niecey? Thank you, niece. Y'all think y'all treat the kid like you treat yourself. I also got the car registered today. $125. I knew we should have wrote it off as a gift. It saved me them bones, man. It was a 70 bucks fee, man. I could have got this John for like 40 bones today. Quick mess. Man, I can't believe this day has finally come, and I can't thank my girlfriend enough because, to be real with you guys, I don't have credit. My girlfriend has credit. So what we do is, like, I'll buy parts or whatever that I need, and I'll just pay off the credit. So thank you to her for supplying the credit for me to drop. Basically gonna be like out the door like $800 for this Mfactory, but I plan on paying it off before then. I just gotta get my credit up, man. Like, yo, I don't know if this is for everybody, but in the black household, you probably have a Cable bill in your name before the age of 4 or 5, and that happened to me. And yeah, so my credit is kind of crappy. Then, like, if I really do want to buy my own house next year or maybe this year, or depending on how things ever go out with me making extra money and everything, I gotta get my credit up. Most definitely. Most definitely. But for now, I'm just gonna wild out on my girl's credit. You heard? But right now we're heading to Randy's house to unbox this bad boy and show you guys the LSD that I got, and possibly, I wouldn't say get it installed in the gearbox, but I gotta show you guys the gearbox progress that I did make on it, because it's been forever since it's been a minute since I last talked to you guys about me and Randy building my so-called gearbox that I have at his crib for the past 8 months now. I think it's been long since I've had the gearbox at his house. But once we get to Randy's, we'll talk more about it and I'll show you guys what's going on, playboy. But this mug is cold. Look how big my window is. This whole big. That boy Randy picked up a big body. That boy did it for Nipsey Hussle. Oh yeah, look at that, bro. That mug clean. Damn, Randy. How many bands you dropped on it, bro?
500. Not a lot, bro.
Not a lot. Boy, he said it's cheap. Damn.
I made this in my sleep.
Damn, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. So if you don't know, Randy scrapped the RSX and just bought this John. He's smart. Now him and his boo thing is matching. They're twinsies. Yeah, that thing clean.
Tune it, bro. I'm gonna take it to Daryl. Get it tuned.
You gonna tune it, bro?
Yep. Upgrade blow-off valve, you know.
Damn.
Like 300 horsepower, bro.
How much?
300.
Stock clutch?
Stock everything, bro.
Damn. You good, bro.
We're gonna put it on. We're gonna cut the coil.
Oh, we cutting springs?
Cutting springs, bro.
2019 cut springs, bro. That's what it is. Hey, we should probably part out the wheels, though. Trash right here. They look like fans.
Got me an LSD, bro.
Yep, sure did. Hold that John, playboy. All you right here, bro.
It's me.
Straight from Mfactory. All for you, dog.
That's for me letting my transmission for almost a year.
Bro, it's been dead ass almost a year. You gave it to me the day after I dynoed, which was
November?
Before November. No, it was in November, like 3rd.
October.
No, it was like early November.
Yeah.
So like we were saying, I've had Randy's gearbox since like the first week of November, because if you guys recall, if you new to the channel, if you don't know, well, after I dynoed for the first time, my transmission blew the same day that I was coming home, and then I was moving in like 2 days after that, or the next, something like that. And then, well, Randy lended me his gearbox since the R6 was down, and now, July 1st, this now got an LSD. I just need 2 more items now, which I'm waiting to get from Gear Driven. But this is it, baby. Mfactory. Helical. Well, however you say it, we got that John.
Now we, nigga, you.
I got that John. He don't want to go LSD. I don't know why.
I don't want to. Give me this. Put on my sippy cup at work.
I want one of them. Give me one of them.
Oh, you got the ugly one.
All right, I'll get this one then. Yeah, I'll take this one.
You're like you sponsored, bro.
I know. I am sponsored, bro. I'm gonna make people mad. Yeah, bro, they sponsor my build even though I don't race it or anything. I got sponsored. My first time ever owning something that's nice and expensive at the same time. And brand new. Ooh, we got Downstar bolts, bro. It must be in partnership.
He bought us for super.
I got this from kseriesparts.com.
So we replace them.
Yeah.
Dad said these bolts are irreplaceable, meaning you can't reuse them once they come off. So it's your call when we put them back on.
My call would say send it.
That's what I know.
Yeah, you know me, bro. But once the video dry, people will tell me, "Yeah, bro, you can reuse them," or "Nah, bro, get new bolts." So depending on what anybody else says, I don't know. Let us know if you ever use some, I don't know, final drive bolts.
I know they have ARP bolts.
That's it. This is a 4.3 final drive, and this is definitely for the 02 to 04 RSX because it has the speed sensor gear. The speed sensor thing. That's what a speed sensor is called.
It has a name for it.
It has a name for it. I forgot what it's called though, but it does have a name for it. And this is my gearbox right here.
All I need right now is this.
I need 3rd and 4th hub and sleeve.
That's it. And then
2 bearings. I need that bearing and this bearing. I got this one already, and I need that one.
And that's it.
And that's it. What's your update on the car, bro?
Which one?
Damn, that one big baller.
Went for powder coat and my training.
Yo, fire!
My gearbox.
Yeah, I ain't got no training, bro. I got your gearbox. So that's all you need to get the car rolling? Did you fix the sunroof? No. Did you get your spoiler back from Wayne's? No.
Man, Wayne's be trying me.
Who gave you your spider?
The paint place? It's been like, it's been a year.
And then they give you back to play there?
Nah.
I called her today. It wasn't painted yet.
And it's been a year. The update on the RSX is needs a couple parts.
Should be in.
Yeah, the motor should be in.
As soon as your transmission is done, the motor should be in.
Huh? Where's my? It's in paint.
Your paint again?
Yeah, man.
Come on, you're a big boy.
Yeah.
You rich, you get guap.
Me rich? I wish, man. Sandblast spindles.
Paint 'em.
And then we should hopefully get a shipment from hybrid with some hybrid parts on this bad boy. Right, David? Right?
Right, David? Right?
Yeah.
Right, David? Can't wait.
Yeah, so
What?
that's just a quick little update on his RSX. So I picked up my niece from my sister's where I dropped her off earlier so I can go film a little bit with Randy. And we were taking a trip down memory lane. We just left the park. I didn't check my camera, but I'm gonna show you guys my old house, man. The old cribbo. I miss driving these Blackwell streets. No more though. It's no more. Man. Y'all wanna see the old crib? We coming up to it, bro. Look at the old cribbo. The old crib. See all the old things in the driveway? That's my boy Brian who did that. And me. What we getting for dinner?
Wendy's.
And that is going to wrap it up for yet another Zosh presentation. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, whether it was just me basically talking the entire time. But I did get paid from it. It was pretty cool. I did do a sponsored video and got paid a couple little bands. A little, you know what I'm saying? Little bands, nah, I mean, little shant, which is gonna help fund the auto to manual swap. So thank you to Raid for sponsoring this video. Thank you to my girlfriend for having the credit needed so I can buy my LSD. And most importantly, thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Key tags have been restocked, so link down below to pick one of these Johns up. Bodie Vision also just uploaded another episode of the build of Crustina where he did some shave, molding, side work, something. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video and in the description box below to go watch that bad boy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.